I can't believe one small change. Let me show you what I did. Come on, guys. It looks like we're going to do that nice, simple ink drop method, right? No, we're not. Well, yes, but no. You'll see. I've had this thought in my head for a while, and I've always wondered, well, why hasn't someone else tried this? And then I thought, why haven't I tried this? This is what we're doing. We're going to do the ink drop method, but usually you pour clear resin into the mold after you dropped your ink. I want to know how well it works if you put light resin in. Will it give it a nice marble look to it? Will all the colors just disappear because of being hidden by the white? Will the colors come out looking splotchy? So that is what we are going to find out today. All right, I'll finish this real quick and we will get to dripping. All right, we have the white mixed up. So we're going with dark indigo, dark indigo, magenta, purplish red, and purple. Shake them up real good. All right, let's go with the magenta. Oh, that's how I do it just because I put more in there than I meant. Purple, the indigo, and the beautiful magenta. I am letting some run down the outer just to help make sure that we will have some showing there. Let's see. A little more classic purple. All right. Let's go ahead and pour. I'm pouring it kind of slow, just try and give the inks a chance to be on the outside. Ooh. Well, there we go. Now let's do the lid. Purple. Purplish red. And some of that dark indigo. Here we go. Now with the lid, you need to watch for the bubbles. See, we can get to raise up to let that one escape without making a mess. There we go. Perfect. Great. And I'll finish filling both of them up now. Actually, let's get it out of the center now, so that when I turn the curing machine on, they are placed correctly. There we go. You know, I have so much ink right here. I am going to grab a tiny bit, mix in this little amount of the white that I have left, and finish it off in a mold. What looks pretty? Let's go with this one. We'll go ahead and let these cure up, and we'll be back. Oh my goodness, it's that time already. Let's see how these came out. Everything's nicely cured, or should be. Oh, that came out very pretty. So glad I thought to use the extra resin for these flowers. Very pretty. Woohoo. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and move this out of our way now. So here we go. We'll go ahead and just go with the lid. Break the seal. I'm so excited to see how using white resin with the ink drop looks compared to without making it white resin. You know what? We'll leave it like that. What do you think? Is that annoying or what? You just want to see. So do I. I really do. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This came out so uniquely cool. Here we go. Oh, I think I like the lid the most. Wow. Look at that. That came out beautiful. What do you think? I used the ink drop technique, but instead of clear resin, I used white resin to pour into it. What do you think about that? Do you like how it came out? I love it. Absolutely love it. You tell me though, guys. Do you think it's a good idea? Not much of a difference in what you do, but a huge difference in the outcome, the way it looks when we unmold it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Leave a comment. You have a great day, guys. Bye for now.